What is called the soul is a kind of electrical energy. This energy, which exists in everything, living or non-living, has also been proven by Kirlian. The source of life is electricity, and God is the one who rules over it. That's why Odin and Zeus were called gods. Tesla was like them, but he fell into the trap of monotheistic Jewish intelligence. The Urey Miller experiment was also terminated deliberately by the same intelligence. The secret of creating something new depends on the correct use of these three resources: water, light and electricity. That is why it is said in the Quran that God creates many things that you do not know. In other words, even now, different living species are being created and released into nature. Each one has a purpose for creation, and the task they will undertake is coded into their DNA. None of them can deviate from this code in the normal process. Unless there is an external intervention that disrupts the DNA, for example, an ant eating an ant. A bee-eater cannot choose to leave the bees and eat other insects. Or a dog cannot decide to leave the dog and mate with the cat. Because the purpose of life is to ensure continuity. Nature must serve plants, plants must serve animals, animals must serve humans, and humans must serve the superior humanoids, gods. The instinct and pleasure of reproduction were not given to living beings just for the sake of it. This issue cannot be explained by evolution. If anyone can explain, please do. Let them try to explain through evolution, in the shortest way possible, why estrogen levels should be between 30 to 400 pg per milliliter and testosterone levels should be between 300–1200 nanograms per deciliter, and what will or will not happen if they fall below these levels. How was evolution able to determine this delicate balance on its own? If this delicate balance is disrupted, life-living being cannot continue.